Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's use find as a function. In this case, I have the text school, wherein the first case has capital S and all the other letters are small. In the second case, I have SCH, that is capital, and OOL is small. The third case, it's all small. Let's see if find can help us differentiate between the three schools that I've written in different combinations of upper and lower cases. So let's see, FIND, tab, find text. We need to find C3. I'll hit F4 and again F4 so that I only freeze the row number, that is 3. Then hit comma, within text B4, again I'll hit F4, this time 3 times, comma, start number will be 1. In this case, we are telling the formula to start from extreme left. This would be 1. Let's say if I ask it to start from a letter 5, number 5 or 6 or 7, it will skip the first 5 letters of the cell content. It will include spaces also in that case. Now I'll close the formula and I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this formula to the bottom and towards the right, and in the cases wherein it is not able to find the required text, it will give me an error. In cases it could find the exact match, it has produced a result as 1, which means that the school, this school is starting from the first letter of the cell content in this cell. This is what find is all about. In the earlier example, I had school and the entire cell content had school in them. But in this example, a letter which can be a part of the cell content where I am looking for the value. So I'll start writing the formula as find tab, find what? This text, F4, row number 3 is frozen, comma, within text this, F4 and F4. Now I is frozen, comma, start number is 1, and it should bring me number 1 because AA is in the start of this cell. Why I have chosen this formula is, in this cell double A is occurring twice, but it will only consider double A which is in the capital letters. And now I'll drag it down and now I'll drag it to the right. In this case wherein I had double A but it was in smaller letters, find formula has not searched it to be the right value. So it has given me an error. Error simply suggests that whatever was to be found within the cell text is not there. The third thing is simple search formula. Like we've used find, we have a search formula with us. You know, I've used a similar example replacing the word school by the word college. And in all these cases, I should get a result using the search formula because search does not consider capital or small letters. So let's start. Search, the syntax however is the same. Search, I will hit tab, find what? This text, F4, comma, within this text, F4, start number is 1, bracket, enter. In all these cases I'll get a value 1 because these are the starting value of. The fourth example is using search within a cell context which has more than just the search item in it. So I'll just unhide this formula. Now I'll be searching for college, and if the word college is available within the search, it should give me a name of the college. So, and I need to change these 2 items. Let's call them schools so that we can differentiate between the search. So this one school, this school is in small letters and this school will be in capital. So here I'll start writing college is equal to search, find this F4, comma, within this F4, comma, start number is 1, brackets. So this is returning back a value 23. 23 means that the 23rd letter is the place where in the cell content where I could find college, the first instance. So I do it irrespective of capital letter or a small letter. If you're copying larger data from the internet, there will be inconsistencies of uppercase and lowercase. The search formula can help you a lot. Let's say you're working in a department wherein you give codes to your different items that are stored within, and you use double A in capital letters for item number 1 and double A in smaller letters for item number 2. Find is your preferred formula. If in case you copy a lot of data from the internet and want to segregate it, search is more relevant formula for you. Use them to the maximum. Bye.